to you. Come on, sing with me. Happy birthday. Louder. Happy birthday. Come on. One more time, we clap your hands. Everybody say. Day to you. Happy birthday. There you go. All right. Ayan, okay. Ayun, okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, siyempre, bago yan. I-blow ni Arami sa kanyang first birthday candle, no? Okay, naka-video ba yan? Hindi man ito maintindihan ng inyong anak pero mapapanood niya to balang araw. Okay, ano ang inyong first wish para sa inyong anak? Daddy.
Ang wish ko lang para kay Aramis, okay, happy siya lagi, at hindi malusog sa bata.
Ayan. Okay, Hannah, how about mommy? Do?
Aramis, ang wish ko ay sana lumaki ka so matalino at mabait na bata at God-fearing. Andito lang kami ni Dad at ni Mommy. Love you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, mommy, on the